Lean in a little closer. Let your eyes lock onto the lines. At first, it is only black and white, strong contrast, sharp angles. But watch carefully. The pattern begins to pull you inward. Lines rush toward the center, then expand outward again. Nothing is moving, yet everything feels alive. Dark shapes create intensity. Light spaces restore balance. Back and forth, light and shadow. Your eyes start following the rhythm. The music builds. The lines respond. There is energy in the contrast, but there is control. Every line has direction. Every shape has purpose. As the illusion grows stronger, your focus sharpens. The faster it moves, the more your mind engages. Distractions disappear. This is more than geometry. It is dimension emerging from repetition, black and white, yet powerful, dynamic. The more you watch, the deeper it feels. Your mind searches for depth, for symmetry, for order, and in that search, you become fully absorbed. Energy does not mean chaos. Sometimes energy lives inside precision, inside symmetry, inside contrast. Let your eyes race along the lines. Let the music set the pace, and allow the illusion to take control. Focused, steady, intense.
No spoken word. No singing. No spoken word. singing.